All right, nice.
Two massive 15s. They're Hippo XL 15Rs.
Wow. Oh, these are 3,000 RMS subs?
Yeah, 3,000 each.
Wow.
I got them on a Terra Ramps. It's a MD8K.
Okay.
I got them at half ohm. Not supposed to, but it rises to a 1.5. So.
Yes, sir. Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. This is like a 4th order?
Yes.
Did you build this?
No, actually, I got it from a buddy. He built it. A little bit small, but it does the trick.
This looks good. And it's nice. It's almost sealed. A little bit of leaking on the sides, but...
This is just random. Taped on here. It's getting redone.
Yes, sir. Nice.
The inside looks better.
What vehicle is this?
It's what?
What vehicle?
This is a 2018 RAV4.
RAV4. All right. So do you know the tunings on the box?
It's 36 hertz.
Okay, so that's where it's peaking at?
Yeah.
Okay.
36, not enough power. It's enough for one of those subs.
Yeah.
I'll give you 37 to 40 hertz right now.
All right. Yeah,
I'm down one speaker right now.
Okay.
I blew it when I got here.
The subs are good though?
The subs are good.
All right.
Box is good. At least as far as last time I had.
My 30 hertz range probably sounds like where you're peaking, like you said. Moves pretty good air too. I know you said it's better sealed, but that's probably the way you...
more air with the sealed too.
Got it, yeah. The way the port reacts with the resonance of the vehicle. Nice, man. I appreciate you showing me. Do you have an upgraded alternator?
Yeah, I can show you everything.
Yeah, man.
I got a headway bank underneath the back. I can't show you that. It's a 96R.
Okay.
Headway.
Yes, sir.
I got brand X 340.
Yep.
Sky High Car Audio. A little bit of mixture of Sky High and Down for Sound.
Yes, sir. Nice.
Battery delete. Nothing's hooked to the front battery.
Yep.
And I got in the back. I got a 96R headway.
All right. Appreciate it, man.
Yeah, man.
Nice to meet you again.
Yeah.
What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Vile. I hope you enjoyed the full walk around we just got of Kenneth's system. Looking forward to showing you all a 2-song demo. If you haven't already, go ahead and give him a like. Let him know what you like about his system as well by commenting. Pretty impressive to see him fit these massive 15-inch subwoofers inside of a 4th order with the nice see-through glass. I really like that cosmetic look to it. This was showcased at the TDH show in Virginia in 2023 Team Deadly Hurt show. If you notice the way he has his port extended into the actual ported section, there is a sealed section underneath. With the port firing into the cabin, I could feel all that air pressure as he was playing the songs. And that kind of helps with the bandwidth as well, being a bandpass enclosure. And if you notice the way he has an amplifier rack in the back, it's actually mounted separate from on the box, and the cool speaker layout on top of that. So you can really hear the lyrics between the speakers and tweeters in the back while he was playing inside the vehicle. So we're getting to the demo now. If you haven't already, consider subscribing for daily videos every day, and enjoy.
Go to bed and make a cup of coffee for your head. They'll get you up and going out of bed.
Yeah, I don't wanna fall asleep, I don't wanna pass away. I've been thinking of our future, cause I'll never see those days. I don't know why this is happening, but I probably deserve it. I tried to do my best, but you know that I'm not perfect. I've been praying.
Hoping you'll find someone else, cause yeah, we're still young, there's so much we have to do. Getting married's not done, but you're but I won't make it up in the air. I hope I go to heaven, so I see you once again. My life was kinda short, but I got so
get you up and going out.
Pretty good. 930 hertz range probably sounds like where you're peaking, like you said. Moves pretty good air too. I know you said it's better sealed, but that's probably the way you.
More air with the field too.
Got it. Yeah. The way the port reacts with the resonance. But nice, man. I appreciate you showing me. You have one more song?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Remix, whack, juvenile, skip, I said that you gon' do that thing, boy, please believe. If not, we'll make it hard for you bitches to breathe. One thing about it, ghost keep some up the sleeve. I snuff with the G's, fuck a chain in the whip, then I fuck up my sleeves. I run down that round and my hoop is blowing on trees. With two heaters with my lap up in 400 degrees. Nah, nigga, that's my dog. I say that shit again, I'll whack all y'all. Get on some live shit, smack every hoe. I ain't fucking with my wife, but this shit nigga might be a go. With that fashion, bitch don't have the fashion, bitch don't have the fashion, bitch don't have so sassy. I'm the man, fresh with your mouth. With two heaters with my lap up in 400 degrees. Nah, nigga, that's my dog. I say that shit again, I'll whack all y'all. Get on some live shit, smack all y'all. Tryna get on that rap shit, crack all y'all.
You can really feel the port pressure whenever you hit that certain frequency range. So thank you for the demo, man. Nice to meet you. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.